Pakistan has once again begun heavy shelling in Uri. Once again, heavy firing is being reported from across the LOC. Well, a complete blackout has also been imposed in areas along the border in Jammu and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So as evening descends, Pakistan once again resorting to aggression and unprovoked shelling and firing. So big breaking news coming in at this point in time. So Pakistan has once again begun heavy firing in heavy shelling in Uri, and meanwhile once again heavy firing is being reported from across the LOC. So right now a complete blackout has been imposed in areas along the border in Jammu and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So as evening descends, like last night, today also Pakistan resorting to aggression and unprovoked shelling and firing. So total blackout in Jaisalmer at this point in time as Pakistan once again started heavy shelling. So heavy shelling by Pakistan in Uri sector. So once again Pakistan started heavy firing, and reports are coming in at this point in time, viewers. A complete blackout has been imposed in areas along the border in Jammu and Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. So will this be another night of intense action? So today also Pakistan resorted in heavy fighting, and reports are coming in the heavy shelling underway by Pakistan in Uri. So total blackout in the border areas of Jammu and Jaisalmer. So Pakistan has once again begun heavy shelling in Uri, and meanwhile a complete blackout has been imposed in areas along the border in Jammu and Jaisalmer. So right now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing a high-level security meeting at this point in time, and now reports are coming in that Pakistan has started heavy shelling, and this time today they have targeted Uri. So once again heavy firing is being reported from across the LOC. And today in the briefing, well, Vikram Misri very clearly said that Pakistan yesterday attempted to target India military assets, and right now the big breaking news that we are tracking at this point in time, viewers, Pakistan started heavy firing in the Uri sector.